also pick up a little bit over the next few weeks. I hope you guys will enjoy that. See, as that bird turns, depending on the angle that he's sitting to us in the sun, he goes almost dark, but if he catches the sunlight just right, he's got that beautiful iridescent blue sort of sheen or shimmer to it. Remember yesterday, maybe if you joined us as well, we had got a good look at a Burchell starling. This is a Glossy starling, also known as a Cape Glossy starling. You can see he's got when he turns his head a little bit, like sort of an orangey eye. Oh, the other elephant's going to come to us. In the background there. Not very big tusks actually, he just walked through a gap there now, but a big body, really big ellie.
I think everything's just sort of like, okay, must get out of the cold and into the sun and start thawing out.
Beautiful color.
Yeah.
And it's hard to see from this distance, but they have a red eye.
Every now and again, we're lucky now that as we're coming down, that bird actually stood up most of the time. As you can see there, when she's busy, as far as we can tell, she's still got eggs in there, no chicks yet. So most of the time when she's actually nesting or sitting on top of the eggs, you can't see much. It just looks like the top part of the nest. We were lucky that she stood up there. You can also see to the left of where she is some remnants of an older nest. There was one other guy I was hoping would come out, which is a fire finch, a beautiful dark red bird, but it's only sticking around in the background, not coming out to where we can see it.
Got it now.
Got it. There we go. Hello, a little glimpse of some of these little guys. Rattling Cisticola there. I think we can be heading on. Looking quite unusual, very puffed up at the moment. You can see it's busy cleaning the feathers and grooming a little bit, so we can see that front area, beautiful colors, all sort of different purples and lilacs and pinks, blues, turquoise, and of course that clear white brow. And if you go straight down from the roller to the ground, you'll see beautiful waterbuck and calf. Beautiful. Look at the chest, sort of where that sort of beige white part in the glasses. They are diurnal birds, catching insects and stuff mostly in the day. This helps to Get a glimpse of him there. Good spotting, Jan. It's very different from the normal crested Francolin you see a lot. Those almost horizontal bars across the front. More like a rusty head. See why they disappear so easily. A bit of grass and they're gone. You more often hear these guys than see them.